So right here at the end of ITW conference in Washington, D.C., and ran into Martin Cadirola. I met him the first time at a conference of Jeff Pulver's, a Vaughn show, I think back in 2005.
That's right.
And we were catching up here at Starbucks, and wow, his company is involved in some really interesting things, but instead of me telling you about it, I wanted to see if Martin would. Starting off with, how about, what's the history? How did Ecotronics start? I thought that was cool.
Oh, well, I came here from Argentina as a graduate student, and then after working there, finished my master's degree, I realized I wanted to start a business, and that's what I did in 2000 as an engineering company. And later on, we were interested in developing a product that became later in 2005 something called Capanga. So some of you may already have heard of the SIP client that supports voice, video, and fax.
Yes, and Kapanga, let's take a look at the chart with the graphics on it. Yeah, you want to give us a little run through?
Sure. So basically, this is how the Softphone looked like. And since I'm a big fan of NASA, we always put an astronaut in there.
Okay, cool.
And so basically what we show here is how we fit into the big picture of IP telephony. And so what we offer are basically a SIP client that runs as a desktop application and as a web plugin application, so people can go to a website and make video calls from there. And also using a cell phone that runs either Windows Mobile or Android, can make video calls as well.
Okay.
And lately, last year, we added video solutions that involve creating and deploying video call centers.
Okay.
For companies offering video services.
Can you share with us the names of any of your clients?
Sure.
Okay.
We work closely with Dialogic,
All right.
for instance, Brikiki, a company based in California.
All right.
Also, Ibis is a company that provides video relay services technology to the deaf and hard of hearing communities in Europe, and we started working here now in the States with a new project. And we have customers all over the world. We have in Asia, Europe, South America.
Can you tell us a little bit about the products and solutions that enable the deaf?
Sure.
Maybe how they work or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very interesting service, because basically what we are helping is a community that needs to have this type of tools to be able to communicate and reach out to other people.
Right.
And so basically that means that a hard of hearing person can have a phone number attached or assigned to him, so that he can make a video call between himself and the interpreter, and then the interpreter and the hearing party can make a voice call.
Oh, nice.
So then there's a three person call.
Right.
Video between an interpreter and the hard of hearing, and then voice call or audio stream between the interpreter and the hearing party.
That makes sense, because then with the video they can sign.
They can do the sign, so there's a focus on high quality video, because you need to meet some specifications, for fluidity in the video picture.
Exactly. So
and it is fun. It is fun.
Yeah. So there's a lot of intelligent and talented people who are deaf, and this gives them opportunities that they wouldn't have had before.
That's right.
That you and I take for granted,
Correct. Yeah.
What about the video call center solution? That's kind of neat. How does that work?
Yeah. Well, the video call center is kind of an extrapolation of what a video relay service would be, where you would have instead of an interpreter, you can have an agent helping a particular niche or vertical in the industry. And basically, they're doing a remote assistance by showing, let's say, on a real estate application, a real estate broker can show a building so that people can see what it looks like before there's an actual visit. There's also healthcare applications where you have doctors being able to communicate with patients and families. And so when you're talking about volume of video conference calls, that's when you need a platform like that is able to support multiple video calls
Right.
within an organization.
Wow, that's great.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the website where people can get in touch with you and your contact information?
Sure, it can be on kapanga.net, Kapanga. You can see you put .net,
Okay.
and we also chose the name because it can be pronounced in many different languages, and we know that's
Wow.
sounds
What
like
languages?
all of them. I mean,
Just about
everybody
all of
can
them.
pronounce.
All the
Yeah,
major ones.
in
All the ones.
Asia, they say Kapanga this, Middle East too, Europe, South
Okay.
America. So,
Okay. Well, it sounds like you have come a long way since 2005, and I can't wait to share this with people.
thank
So
you very
thank you,
much,
Martin.
Suzanne. Thank you.